Hello, welcome to Drop 33. So it's going great in the sense like good, but more than that as well. So last week was solid four. Like few things that were like really bugging me since last couple of months. So at last I can freely say that like those things are solved up to a greater extent, like 90% done sort of stuff. So I'm really happy about it. And last week was really great, working on all of this stuff. I'll move on that and explain you all that stuff in the coming part of the video as well. So last week was awesome. All the work and schedules, workout, meetings, and team discussions and roadmap, product, client, everything was sorted. So solid four. Really excited for the last week and now moving forward to the coming week as well. Hope so. I continue this strike of like 4 4 4. So it's like first time like three consecutive fours, and moving forward I would really like to hit it till 4.25 in the coming week. Let's see how that goes. So overall quite excited for that, and this was my last week's grading. And now moving forward to the startup side update. Now on the startup side update, client side is going great. Like the tough calls that we took in the last couple of weeks, that I would be deassociating myself and moving forward I would focus more on the product side. So that seems kind of working. The effect of that calls and that decisions like is we are finding it right now. Like I am getting more time and more work done on the things that are important to overall organization, and it seems really great. Like and team is taking care of the client side, and I'm really happy about all of that stuff as well. So client side done great, best thing. And now moving forward to the product side of it. So a few things that was like bugging me like was like team. Like we were being like on an hiding spear since last couple of months or so. So there were many difficult situations in the like we were not able to find candidates, or like n number of different stuff. Those parameters might differ in different cases, but overall what was happening, like we were not able to finalize a team at the end of the day. So that was really taking me, and at last I can safely say that in the last week I was really able to like finalize a marketing team, like couple of guys there, design team few guys there, engineering team few guys there. So like sort of like whole small short and sweet team. Not you don't want to create a huge big team because it also becomes a chaos, and you want to be very small team only, like sweet team. So like I can safely say that yes, we are now on a good situation on design and marketing and content side, and also on the engineering side. So quite good. I think I will add one more folk in the coming week. I'm not sure about anything, but yeah, I can. We have the capacity to add one more folk. So let's see if all get you know. So let's see if all gets great, then we might also add that in the like overall content space. But I'm not sure. So we'll keep you posted with that. And overall, yes, product side is going great. We are not focusing on like majorly on multiple things, but yeah, the core team is like focusing on only few of the products, as I already mentioned in the earlier videos, like online graphic design tool and our scheduling management app. So once this get properly integrated and like properly functioning smoothly, not like all of the features, but yeah, it is like usable to end consumer. So we want to make that so that in the second half of the month, as I already mentioned, like we want to scale things out and reach out to more and more folks and creators out there. So I would really emphasize my and focus on like giving out to the more folks. So let's see overall how that goes. Now moving forward to the challenge or the idea part of this video. So as I already mentioned, it's going good. I would rather say it's going better, and I would really like to see that if we can get to great, like like the best of the what we are currently doing. So I would keep that as a challenge for my coming week as well. But overall, yeah, today we are on a quite everything is like smooth. So I think we should really celebrate small victories, because this kind of victory has been like last 2 months it was like really tricky for us. So I think this is a small victory, and it's like a ripple effect, if you can say, or you can say butterfly effects, in the sense like if one thinks the main primary thing that was really bugging you, or that was the problem, like kind of the fundamental reason that the problem arises. So if you solve that, then automatically all other things get solved. So I was really able to get back to my book reading as well. So quite excited. Like I read, I think 70 plus pages. If I'm not wrong, I'll update that as well. But yeah, book reading is going great. I'm also again getting back to my community building activity also. So that's going great as well. And the team is like stable, like a short, sweet team. Like all departments are great. So that is going great. My challenges are getting back to normal. And I have recorded this video on Saturday and Sunday, and I would really try to post this on by Sunday evening itself. So yeah, all things are going great. So I think this video is about celebrating small wins, and yeah, of course there are small losses as well, but yeah, we can celebrate those small wins. So it's going good, and I would like to keep this as a challenge, like remembering few victories and at the same time enjoying the stuff. So now main challenge will be arriving in the second half of the month, when we would really like to scale things out in terms of like giving to more users. So I'm really excited for the next week as well, and also on the November month, where we are trying to kind of doing a launch, like a proper 1.0 version launch. Not sure of any of these things, but yeah, I would really like to do on that terms as well. So overall, quite a good week, and challenges and startup side update and personal week grading. So I think this might be one of those video till now that each and every department is going great. So yeah, this is the kind of like first time. So if you guys are really excited about what we guys are building it, and do hit me up. I would really like to give you the access and get your feedbacks and get your perspective and maybe improve it as well. And hope so you guys are taking care of yourself and your loved ones, and we're hoping to see you guys in the next week. And yeah, I think my Instagram is having some problems, so I was not able to upload last 2 to 3 drops on my Instagram. So I really try if I can upload all my this remaining drops on the Instagram as well. But you can keep updated with all the latest drops on YouTube. So I'm pretty consistent on that. So do watch it on YouTube, or maybe if I upload it on Instagram there. So overall, really great, and keep hustling, and bye. YOLO, take care.